Understanding VR Chatrooms, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of VR chatrooms. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about modern communication methods, this video will help you understand what VR chatrooms are and how they're changing the way we interact online. So, let's dive in. VR chatrooms are virtual spaces where people can interact with each other using virtual reality technology. Unlike traditional chatrooms, which are text-based, VR chatrooms allow users to experience a more immersive form of communication. Participants use VR headsets to enter a 3D environment where they can see, hear, and sometimes even touch virtual objects and other participants, represented as avatars. In this section, we'll explore the technical aspects of VR chatrooms. To access a VR chatroom, you need a VR headset and compatible software. Once you're in, you can move around, interact with objects, and communicate with others through your avatar. These avatars can often be customized to reflect personal styles or characteristics. The experience is designed to be as realistic and interactive as possible. VR chatrooms have a variety of uses. They're popular in gaming, where players can experience a more immersive gameplay. They're also used for socializing, where people from all over the world can meet and interact in a virtual space. Additionally, they have educational and business applications, such as virtual meetings or language learning sessions, where people can practice speaking in a more engaging environment. VR chatrooms are changing the way we communicate. They offer a more immersive and interactive experience than traditional online communication methods. This technology allows for a deeper level of interaction, making it feel like you're in the same room with someone, even if they're halfway across the world. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of VR chatrooms and their role in modern communication. They're an exciting technology that's making the world smaller and more connected. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.